What's going on? It's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. In today's video, I shall be unboxing the brand new 10th generation iPad. I will soon be uploading many videos comparing this iPad to others and so much more. So if you want to be one of the first 5,000 people to subscribe, then go ahead and do so clicking the bell icon to be notified of when I upload any of my new videos. Without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of this iPad. This iPad starts off at £499 here in the UK. This will get you 64GB of storage, although there is another storage option at 256GB. Should you want that option, it will set you back £679. It's available in 4 different colours, which range from yellow, pink, blue and silver. Like other Apple products, you will find that this iPad comes with no outer plastic packaging. Instead, it has these pull tabs on the top and bottom of the box, and pulling on these allows us to view the inner contents. And the first of these is a standard Your iPad, and placing this to a side, we get our standard designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. And opening this, we find a quick start guide which gives a general overview on the buttons and the ports, along with also pointing us towards the Tips app for further guidance. There is also some health and safety information along with details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty. And as always, you get your 2 plain white Apple stickers, a missed opportunity as I certainly would have loved to have seen them colour match to the iPad. Next item to come included with the iPad is the 1-meter USB-C cable. Now this cable is not colour matched like we see with the other MacBook models, although it is braided, which should help with it lasting a little longer than those previous cables. The last item included is the 20-watt USB-C power adapter. For us here in the UK, it has a flip design which will help when travelling with this plug. It should also allow you to charge this iPad to 50% in just under an hour, whilst a full charge takes just over 2 hours at around 2 hours and 20 minutes. Lastly, we have the iPad itself. I must admit, it's certainly a little weird to see an iPad in pink, although the pink colour really is quite striking. It has a design that looks much like the iPad Air, and on the bottom you will find some speakers along with the USB-C port. And on the left side of the iPad you'll find 3 circles which form a part of the smart connector, which will be used when attaching the keyboard. You'll also find a single rear camera and microphone, so unlike the Air, there is no flash for flash photography. On the other side, you will find the volume switches. There is also some speakers on the top of the iPad, and like the iPad Air, the sleep wake button has Touch ID built in. On the front of the iPad, you'll notice that the front FaceTime HD camera has moved from the top of the iPad to the right bezel. So that'll be it for today's video. I'll soon be uploading several videos testing the A14 chip along with the cameras on this iPad and comparing them to other iPads. If you have any video suggestions or any questions about the product, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And if you want to see those videos as they go live, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on those videos. Thank you very much for watching, take care and have a good one.